We'll do it right here, giving you a little film clip right now because I feel you need me, you miss me, you want me.
We do, baby.
Hey, check it out.
PA in the house.
I want to give a quick shout out to everybody down in California. Scott Anderson, Scott G. Anderson, my man, Colin Malone, man from Sons of Anarchy, my buddy out there. Hey, thank you very much for calling. You give a lot, you care a lot about the kids. He's going to help me with a charity, man.
Oh, right on.
This
That's
is my
awesome.
buddy Pat right here.
How y'all doing today?
That's Tim right there. That's Mr. Tim.
That's Mr. Tim. Right on. Happy time.
Hey, check it out, guys. I know that you guys need an Evil Vision fix because I haven't been on in a couple of weeks. And here's the thing. I miss you guys. I hope you tune in. This Friday, I'm going to film live here. I just got the okay from the owner, so we're cool. So make sure that you check in on this. Make sure you know what's going on. Tell all your friends at 6 o'clock, it's 6:30. We're going to film here in Erie, PA at Haggerty's on West 26th Street. And make sure that you tune in at 8 o'clock. I will have it downloaded and out for everybody to enjoy.
And that's this Friday the 19th of June, correct?
That would be correct, sir.
Awesome.
We're not very specific on my show.